been working on this still life, and I drew them with these lovely aquarelle water-soluble pencils today. Came in the mail yesterday. They're from Faber-Castell, so I'm kind of stuck here because my work table is over there. It is buried. Been working on cleaning that shelf. Remembered I had some empty sketchbooks up on that shelf, so I had fun. And then this is a color drawing I did of the postcard. This is a still life by Lilly Martin Spencer. It's called Still Life of Watermelon, Pears, and Grapes from 1859. And I got this postcard at the National Museum of Women in Arts. And somewhere around here I have my Crayon d'Arche crayons. So sorry about swinging around so much like that, but I decided to take about an hour last night and I did some sketching. I did this color study. I put the Neo Color 2 down first, and then I went into it with the pencil, regular drawing pencil right there, your Ticonderoga number 2. And then I did kind of an abstract. I'm working with a 15 pack of these aquarelle crayons, and just did a little color study. So, and I felt much better after an entire week of no painting, drawing, or anything. It was so nice to just sit and draw. I think I probably worked on this piece here for about 20-30 minutes. It's, you know, obviously it's not perfectly the same as this, but it wasn't intended to be. I just wanted to relax a little bit, so. And for me, relaxing happens when I draw. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the flip side.